Hi everyone, this is Amit Kumar and I welcome to SQL Server tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to migrate your data from one SQL Server environment to another SQL Server environment by using backup and restoration process. So let's begin. I do have these databases in my systems. Suppose this is one of the database called AutoDB. Here we have multiple database, tables inside this. Just to see, I can just see one of the table and the respective data just for cross checking. So I can see there are ample of records in the table. Yeah, there are a lot of records. So I just want to migrate this database as it is from one SQL Server environment to another SQL Server environment, assuming that there are two different servers. One is a staging server, another is a production server. Assuming that today I am using the staging server, then I'll take this backup to production server and restore over there. So let's start how I can migrate the database. That's the process. Right click over here, go to task, backup. So when you continue with the backup console, it will generate a file called with the extension as BAK. Okay, you have to locate the path over here where exactly you want to just create a backup. So I'm going to create a backup somewhere in the uh, you know in the E drive itself, here only. Okay, in the root itself, the file name I have to give, say, ordDB. Okay, ord underscore db. So this is the file, and I'm going to write the format as well here, .bak. Okay, so this is going to be created inside my E drive. Okay, now click OK. It will start creating the full backup. So there are different type of backups here. Backup type, whether it is a full backup or differential backup, and then I'll just click OK. In a while it is just being created. Now just want to ensure whether it is created or not. Yes, it is created with the name of orddb.bak. Now it's time to restore the backup file to another server. I'll just disconnect my SQL server and then try to connect with another server. So this is another server. I'm assuming that that's a production server. So I'm going to take that BAK file, So I'm going to create one more database with the name of ord.db. Okay, this file I can take to any other server in hard drive or pen drive or in mail or anywhere. Okay, this can be moved as it is. Now in the server I need to restore that, so I have to go to inside the database here. I'll right click over the database, not any other particular database. Here I have to click on this folder. Now, not attached, there's a restoration database process. Restore database. And then database name you have to define over here. My database name is going to be ord underscore db. Okay. Now it's time to locate where exactly the database is. Source, you have to choose a source. Okay. The source is the device. I'll just locate the path of the database where exactly it was added. So add the path, go to E drive where I was just saved that database. This is the file, BAK file, and here we go. Click OK. OK. Now the database has been located over here. It's time to finally click OK. One more thing I just wanted to show you here. Go to File here. Suppose if you have the database with the same name already exists in this database, folder. What I can do, you can just click on overwrite the existing database. If at all you have the same database already exists, okay, or the database with the same name already exists in this database repository. If not, not required. So simply click on restore. It's already clicked here, and then click OK. So in a while it will be restored, and here we go. The database or DB has been restored successfully. You have to refresh it. The database has been restored on this name particularly with the order DB. Okay. Alright, what I can do, I'll just delete this one, this particular database. Now there is no product DB in my database server. Okay. So what I can do, restore database and go to device, locate the database full file which was there in my E drive in form of a backup. Okay, I can simply choose that, and here we go. So whenever you click OK, it will just restore the order DB again in my database server. So it's super easy. I can see all the tables which was already there in the database. Now it is being restored. Same number of records I can see from my database table. So this is all about how we can migrate our SQL Server database from one server to another server by using backup and restoration process. I hope you would have liked this video. Thanks for watching. Stay connected. Bye bye.